Kitten attack. Kitten attack. Oh. Oh. My goodness. Look at this little cutie pie. Look at you making biscuits. Oh. Oh. Can I pet? Okay. There it is. Oh. Oh. Look at this little kitten and her little black toe beans. She's got little chocolate toe beans. Yes, the peregrine has little chocolate toe beans. Yes, she does. And she is a biscuit machine. She's a little biscuit maker. So if you like biscuits, this is the kitten to adopt. Hello, love bugs. And then we've got little Kestrel. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, and a floofy butt. Look at that floof. Oh, someone's getting into petty love. Somebody just wanted some loving, huh? Did you think you guys were all alone? Is that why you were meowing? Huh? I know it's probably your sister, not you. You don't meow much. Your sister's more the talker. Huh? Oh, such soft fur. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, scritches. Kittens, scritches. Oh. Oh, yeah. I think these guys are adoptable at this point. Just gotta do a couple of things. But yeah. So if you want a floof or two, if you want one floofy and one crazy, well, floofy and crazy and short-haired and lovey, definitely want these two. Now, I'm going to take them to the vet sometime in the week coming, so that we can get them checked for FIV and FLV. Oh, they're doing good. A little snack. The white stuff in the food is dionysius earth. It's something we use for feral cats. It's really good for them. It helps deal with internal parasites. It helps keep fleas off of them. We also use it in our bowls and around our feeding stations to keep away ants, so they don't have to worry about that. But, oh my goodness, look at this. Yeah, she's being a good girl about her scratching. Yeah, show off how you do that scratching post. Good girl. Good girl, Peregrine. Good girl. Peregrine's my little love bug, but Kestrel's very lovey too, but not as much as the biscuit machine over here. What's she doing? Can you come say hi? Ooh. Yeah, she's got a bit of a purr motor too. Not as loud. Not as loud as Carrots or any of the other louder kittens I've had to deal with, but she's got a decent purr motor. But Kestrel is the scamp, a bit more scampy than the two. She likes to... She's more like, come on and play with me, but she likes pets too. It's just, you have to be careful and know when she wants them and when you don't want them. What are you doing, you goofball? Are you being a kitten? Are you being a kitten? But yeah, these guys, pretty much the minute I brought them in, they started to just relax and turn into pretty much house cats. Oh, you hit your toy. Oh, squeakies. Unbelievably long tail. There's some long tails on these two. Look at that. That is a long tail. Oh. You're making the biscuits? Yeah, you're going to be making biscuits, aren't you? What? You're on camera, Cat Peregrine. My baby. Oh, yeah. The Peregrine's on TV. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. Hi. Hi. Are you making biscuits? Are you making the biscuits? Yeah. Oh, look at that. Happy kittens. Very happy. I'm going to get the little foof down here. Okay. What? What, Kestrel? What? Kestrel wants to play. That's why she's bugging me. And when she reaches out with her paw like that, it's playtime. Which Peregrine wants in on it too. I think I will play too. Alright, I guess I better play with these two. I'm gonna break out the feather wand and let them play with that. Enjoy.